Welcome back. Joining us on the show now is Chirag Thakkar. He's director at Amrapali Group. Chirag, hi, good to have you. And quite a bit of a slide is what we are seeing in silver prices, now trading below $30 an ounce, 100,000 rupees kg to 87,000. I mean, that's 13,000 rupees of a decline already coming in for prices. How are you reading it?
Very good afternoon, Manisha. So, if you see last 20 days, it has been a pure roller coaster ride for all the financial markets of the global world, right? So, we see a major election output coming in, and we have seen lots of other instruments making a huge moves into the market. So, I believe that was a major region which has pulled back silver momentum. We have corrected from all-time highs to almost more than 10% down at these levels. I believe there are lots of uncertainties in the market. There are lots of major policies expected out in the market in the first month of the next year. So I think we are at an uncertain point, and we see that the market is actually reacting to it. So I think it's a sideways movement, and I think it's a stand hold movement where we could see more downfall coming down after the yesterday's inflation data actually moved market very well below $30, which we didn't saw in last couple of months. So yeah, that is the move right now.
So, Chirag, the markets, as you said, since the US elections have seen a decline coming in for silver, especially. There also is a belief that by the first quarter of 2025, by the time Trump is settled and we understand what kind of tariffs are coming in and all of that has been digested, until then it can be volatile. But what is your sense? Where is the support now coming in? And do you still believe, are you still in that category which thinks that a lakh rupees and perhaps a lakh plus kind of levels could come back in 2025?
See, Manish, I see short term to long term. I'm still bullish because the ground reports, what we get at the physical level, the demand is still high at these levels. At the same time, I think 85,000 would be a bottom out. Come what may, that would be the level wherein ETFs, physical buying, global industrial demand comes in, and I'm sure it won't be able to break the 85,000 unless we see a major decisions to any other things coming in. So I think 85,000 is a bottom, and next year, to answer your question, next year we could see 100 going it above 100,000 for the INR.
All right. Chirag, also other things that we're listening into the Indian markets is that the way hallmarking has come in for gold, it could come in for silver articles as well. And the way it was done for gold, there was a grace period given for conversions for the HUID. What are you listening into? I understand that the street is waiting for the notification to come in. How ready, prepared is the silver market for this?
See, if you see silver market down the line, if you see the whole value chain, it is not that as organized as the gold market, and it is a very welcome move because we have seen quite a time wherein when a customer goes back to sell the silver articles and silver ware, it is very tough for them to get the kind of the same valuation for what valuation they already bought. So I think it is going to be a hiccup when it starts, as we saw in the gold jewelry. But it is a very welcome move, and we are moving towards a whole value chain getting more organized, and it is a win situation for a customer.
All right, Chirag, thank you so much for sparing time and joining us this afternoon. Manisha, thank you for joining in as well. By the way, the Nifty